Okay, then bitch, now pull up with your friend.
Yo, what's up guys? We're gonna be doing a tutorial today with AI in video. I'm going to show y'all what I cooked up to show y'all. This is the original video right here. And this is it with the new AI effect that I'm gonna show y'all right here. So, in this tutorial, everything is free. Everything is free. Video Copilot, which I use to take screenshots with, free. EBTH, which I help apply the effect on all the frames, is free. The website I use for AI, it's free. Just make an account. It's free, and it's gonna give you amazing results. So let's get into it. So first off, when you have your clip right here, when you have the desired clip, the first thing you want to do is put in a composition by itself, that you have the clip by yourself, and you want to render out this clip, right? And when you render it out, you want to go press lossless right here and press JPEG sequence, right? You're gonna press OK. And after that, you're gonna go to the desired folder. Mine's is right here, the video folder right here. Click right here, delete all that, then press save, and then press render. So with that being rendered, now you have all your frames, right? And I'm just gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna copy all these frames and put them in the video folder by itself and delete this. So now you have all the frames in a folder. After that, you're gonna wanna go back to that clip and use Video Copilot, that I said before. It's in the description for you to download. You wanna press Control and space, and it brings it up, and you wanna press this camera option, right? Make sure your thing's on full quality. Press the camera, it takes a snapshot of your frame. You're gonna press Open Gallery, and then you're gonna download this as a JPEG, right? Or PNG. Right now it doesn't matter, but I just say do as a JPEG. And you want to save it. I'm gonna call this reference image 1. I spelled that wrong, but it doesn't matter. So with that, your reference image, you want to go to the website that I have down below. Here it is right here. It already shows my old creation that I just made right here. But what you want to do is press from image and upload an image. So you want to go to the image that you have already, press open, right? And it has a ton of different styles that you can choose from. But we're just going to go with PS2 because I think it looks the best. And then you want to press generate and wait for it to generate. So after it's generated, you will see results. You know, these are the two that they give me. I'm definitely going to use this one right here because I think it looks the best, so I'm going to download it. And so after it's downloaded, I'm going to bring this up my file folder, and I'm actually going to drop that into the keys folder. This is drop it into your regular folder because we need to resize it. So after that, you want to go back to After Effects, and you want to import the file that we just generated with AI. After you get it generated with AI, you need to resize the image. So we need to go to Import File, and we need to import the file that we got from the AI generator. So it's right here. So import it, and then right click on it and press New Comp from Selection. So you'll have it right here. You need the photo to match the image size of the video frames. So we need to go to Composition Settings, and turn this to 1920 by 1080. You might have to take off the lock aspect ratio. But after that, you're going to want to scale it down so that it fits it just about right. I'm going to say 94 works. 94 works. And after that, you're going to want to press Control Space again, take a picture, save it. This one needs to be saved as a JPEG, and then go to Keys and save it as 0. After that, you want to go to your video folder where you have all your frames rendered out. Copy the name of the first frame 000, and go to Keys and rename your JPEG, which is 0, to 0000. After that, you're gonna want to go to EBTH, which I have in the description. It's for free. After you download it, you want to open up the exe. It's gonna pop up like this. First thing you need to do for video, press select. Go to right here. Literally just open this folder right here. Actually, yeah, just go into the folder, then press 00 like that keyframe right there. Just press open. After that, you're gonna want to press the select option for keys and just click the 0 right there. After that, it should pop up something like this. And forget about mask, forget about weight, all that stuff. If you want to mess around with these settings, you can. I wouldn't, because it's still gonna work fine. And then after that, you want to press send and let it load for a bit. Okay, so when it's done, you want to go back to your folder, and it should say something like out right here, and it's gonna have all these new keyframes popping up, right? And so with those new keyframes, you want to go into your After Effects, press import, and press file. This is important. Go to that folder, press the first keyframe right here, and make sure PNG sequence is checked. Then press import. It will now import it as a video. And so now when you go back to your original clip, pop this over and play it, you will see the AI effect being applied. So yeah, that's a tutorial right there. Honestly, it doesn't look as best as mine's. This was just a bad clip to pick from, you know, because you can get amazing results like this. But you know, it all depends on scene selection. So yeah.